What's up, guys? Tim, some damn fools, real quick. Four-wheel drive flashing for the Rubicons and Foremans with push-button four-wheel drive. It's a 19 model. I had taken all of my diodes out of here, put this entire whip in here, sealed it all off, and super sealed it, and then sealed it again. What happened? It was full of water this morning, so I learned a little something. Addison 2, Project Ajax, Brandon Yates, they cover these, you know. I learned a little bit. I learned a little bit from a lot of people. So what I wanted to share with you is my little bit of general knowledge. All right, your dash leaks. Let's say your dash is taking on water. Mine is in the house in a bag of rice, and I've totally sealed it. There's an open back on that dash, and that's where this plug goes in, and that's what this boot's for, to keep the water out. It comes from there. After I sealed mine, where did the water come from? The wires, guys. It'll chase up that loom and come and climb right up them wires in the deep water. And also, I think if you dielectric grease the front and you don't do anything about the back of the plug, pointless. Alright, so if you're deep water riding, this is going to definitely pertain to you. So I've sealed this joint here, I've sealed this joint here. I'm going to take and wrap all this in electrical tape again once it cures. Seal it again, just over seal it. Now I won't have a new box till the end of the week, or towards the middle of the week when I get to the store. And my dash is dry, but it's still not working. I don't recommend dielectric grease in this. I just don't. And then I may even put, just a dab of seal inside this little, but the boot should pretty well hold it. So if you're trying to dry out your stuff, waterproof your stuff, and it keeps leaking and you cannot get it, it's coming up the wires and climbing right into the box. That box was slammed full of water this morning, and it didn't have a leak on it. So you get you a small waterproof case from Walmart. I recommend, instead of drilling, I took the hole saw and had it closed. I would just drill on one side, maybe take a Dremel, cut out a loop big enough for the loom, put it in there, close it up, seal it beforehand, seal it after, and definitely seal around those wires. But if you do that and you don't do this, it's going to be pointless. So guys, I just wanted to share that with you. It's going to be a real quick video. I've got some more videos coming out. My next video is going to be a long video, and it's going to be a lot of mayhem at the Sandy Pond yesterday. Hondas that will normally idle and do like a champ had issues. Seemed like everybody died on the exhaust, on the intake stroke, because I've seen some hydrolock that I never would have thought. So be a little informative. I'm going to have to make it 18 and over because of the language in the video. For my younger viewers, I apologize about that. But trying to do responsible video making. Again, don't dielectric grease this. And I will definitely let you guys know. Probably going to be taking off this weekend and not riding, because I want to make sure all my stuff is right, had every chance to cure, and see if we can get it figured out, plus let my dash come back to life. And I will show, once the dash is out and out of the bag of rice, I plug it in and it starts working again, I'll do a video on everything I did. But for the main part, I definitely put some ultra black gasket maker, slid that way down, shot it way down, pulled it back up, gonna let it seal, and then hopefully I'll have some good news for you guys. Stay tuned.